Hello, my teacher and my friends. My name is Anamari Sanchez. I am going to present today is for my album for 5 national birds. The first one is the condor. It comes from the family is Catedrae that in South America. It is the longest non-marine bird on planet. They get measure 1.32 centimeters of height and around of 17 centimeters to 30 centimeters of wingspan. Males weigh between 11 to 15 kilograms and females from 8 to 11 kilograms. His head is bald and red, but he can change its color according to his mood. Its wings are long and wide. Its legs have short and sloping curved nails. Its plumage is brown and in adults its plumage changes to black. The second one is the Indian eagle. It is one of the most predatory birds. His family is Axipridae and subfamily is Burionae. It measures between 46 and 53 centimeters. Its color are dark brown and dark gray. It has a wingspan between 1.8 meters and 2 meters. It is the third largest eagle in the country. The third one is the guacamacha. Belongs to the family of Pyxtoxines. It reaches a length of 19 centimeters. Its tail can reach 53 centimeters and it weighs 1 kilogram. Its back is hooked and strong. Its legs are short and he has 4 fingers, 2 front and 2 behind. Its plumage is brindty color. The main one is the red. It has blue feathers and yellow with green feathers. It's communicated with loud and high-pitched screeches. It is very intelligent. He has the ability to learn tricks and imitate words. The first one is the toucan. The family is Rumpelstiltskinnidae. Its size is between 29 and 63 centimeters long. Its weight between 130 and 80 grams. Its back is approximately 20 centimeters. It is thin, but it is still light. It can be blue, yellow, red, and green. Its plumage is black, and on the chest it can be yellow, white, or blue, and white orange strips. Its tail reaches 14 centimeters. It is narrow and floating. Its wings are small, short, and rounded. Their average lifespan is 20 years. The fifth one is the bird. The family is Trochildae. It has a say that ranges between 9.5 and 50 centimeters and a weight of 4.8 to 8.5 grams. They have a white forked or rugged tail. The bill is black and the reveality long and curved. The color of the plumage is mainly green and light gray. They are small birds, they are not swallowed. Thank you for your attention. Bye.